Hi guys, today Hubby and I are cooking some stuffed turkey legs with rice dressing. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get them good and seasoned up. I have a good chicken seasoning and I'm also using a sweet paprika. Okay guys, now I've turned them over. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So guys, right now I'm going to give them a good rub and then I'm going to look at them just to see how I want them to bake, because after they bake I will not turn them over anymore and I will begin to stuff them. Okay guys, so the plan is go ahead on and cook these at 375 degrees for an hour and a half. Guys, I have the link to the dirty rice that I cooked. I'll have it in the description box. Now that my turkey legs are done, they cooked about an hour and a half. I am now transferring them to another cooking dish because I will definitely use the broth to make my sauce. Okay guys, you don't want to throw away that broth from the turkey legs because, as I said, that will be made with that's how we will make our sauce, and it's very simple. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of sour cream and give it a good whisk. I'm trying to do it in this little bowl, but it's not going to work for me. So guys, I decided to transfer the sauce into a bigger bowl because whisking this sauce is very important to make it smooth.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about.
Now back to the turkey legs. I am now beginning to open them up. They've cooled down for about 15 minutes. And so I'm now splitting them open so I can stuff them. So I'm just going straight down the middle, find the best place I want to stuff them, and I'm going to go across and I'm just going to open them up. You have to be very, very gentle because your meat should be falling off the bone, and that's just what it happen. And if you're not careful, then you'll have a bunch of bits of turkey pieces all over your pan. But we want to hold that leg intact as much as possible and get them good and stuffed.
Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
Now that I have them ready to stuff, I'm going to actually take an ice cream scoop and stuff the dirty rice in the turkey legs. Yummy. Now once it's been stuffed, guys, I am ready for that nice, smooth, creamy sauce, and I'm going to just pour it on. Guys, this was such a delicious recipe. I hope you enjoy it when you try it. And if you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can not miss the good content that we're about to bring out. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
For once, but sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.